Hey everybody, it's Chuck, RaptorAddiction. Today I got something kind of fun. I've got the PedalBox. So I've heard great things about the PedalBox from DTE Systems. We're going to give it a shot. It's supposed to be super easy. You simply plug one in where the wiring goes into the throttle, and then just kind of splice this in there. So it's supposed to take only a couple minutes. I like that kind of performance enhancement. We'll see what it does. They tell me it'll definitely change the throttle response. So let's give it a shot.
Okay, so I think it is, you can see it, it's this wire right here. So I'm gonna unplug that and swap the wire in. I now have the command module located just to the right of the steering column, and you'll go through a quick little process of setting the pedal. I've just done that, so now I'm going to install the app on the phone, and then I'm going to go test drive it and see what it does.
So 3 settings, city, and I definitely feel I feel an improvement in throttle response, so that's really good. I went to sport, seemed to be a little better. Went to sport plus, and definitely noticed the difference. So I'm pretty happy with it. For a 10-minute plug in and be good to go. That's pretty nice. So I'm gonna keep playing with it, and I'll give you a long-term review maybe in the coming weeks. Thanks.